Good day class, I'm Mr. Matt and today I will discuss about nutrition and physical activity. So two factors that help us maintain our healthy and active lifestyle. So proper nutrition and regular physical activity works together to improve our overall health, prevent diseases, and maintain or enhance our quality of life. So by the end of this presentation, we will understand the meaning, the importance, the benefits of nutrition and physical activity, as well as we practice it in our daily lives. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which our body obtains and uses nutrients from food for growth, energy, and repair and maintenance of our body function. So the food we eat provides essential nutrients that our body need to stay healthy and functional. So we have the 6 essential nutrients: carbohydrates, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. So the first one is carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy. So examples are rice, wheat, bread, and potatoes. Next one is proteins. It helps build and repairs body tissues. So examples are fish, meat, eggs, beans, and milk. So the next one is fats. So fats provide stored energy and protects body organs. So examples are nuts, avocados, cooking oils, and butter. So the next one is vitamins. So it helps us regulate body processes and support immunity. So examples are fruits and vegetables. So we have the minerals. So the minerals strengthens bones, teeth, and support body function. Examples are milk, leafy vegetables, and seafoods. So the last one is water. It is essential for hydration and transporting nutrients throughout the body. So what is physical activity? So physical activity refers to any movement of the body that requires energy expenditure. So it includes activities we perform every day, whether for work, recreation, transportation, or exercise. So what is the relationship between nutrition and physical activity? Nutrition and physical activity are closely connected. Nutrition provides the fuel and nutrients needed for physical activity, while physical activity helps the body use those nutrients efficiently. For example, eating healthy foods give us energy for exercise. Also, exercise helps us maintain a healthy weight and improves nutrient utilization. Together, they promote overall wellness and prevent chronic diseases. So neither nutrition nor physical activity alone is enough. Both are necessary for healthy lifestyle. So what are the ways to maintain good nutrition and physical activity? To stay healthy, we should eat balanced diet, consume more fruits and vegetables, drink plenty of water, limit sugary drinks and junk food, eat meals on time. Also exercise regularly, participate in sports and recreational activities, walk or bike when possible, reduce screen time, and stay active throughout the day. So overall, nutrition and physical activity are essential for maintaining good health and well-being. So proper nutrition provides the nutrients and energy that our bodies need, while physical activity strengthens our body and improves physical and mental health. By practicing healthy eating habits and engaging regular physical activity, we can lead healthier, happier, and more productive lives. Thank you and goodbye.